This restaurant smells yummy. We never eat out, so is it okay to eat here sometimes?
Emma, restaurants can be fun, but it's important to remember they don't cook exactly like we do at home.
Why not?
Well, restaurants often cook food to be really tasty and fast, which sometimes means using more oil or sugar than we would at home.
So restaurant food is not healthy?
Not always, Emma, but it can still be a treat sometimes. The key is to think of it like a special occasion.
Like a birthday party?
Exactly. Just like you wouldn't have cake every day, you wouldn't want to eat restaurant food all the time.
So what should we eat here?
Look for things that sound familiar and healthy. Maybe grilled chicken or fish with some vegetables.
Okay, and we can still eat healthy food most of the time, right?
Absolutely, Emma. That way, when we do come to a restaurant, it feels extra special.
Thanks, Mr. Jacobs. Now I'm excited to try something new.
Me too, Emma. Remember, even eating out can be part of a healthy lifestyle when we make smart choices.
We'll make healthy choices today.
That's the spirit, Emma!
Let's order some delicious and healthy food.